My name is Paul Horn. I'm a California attorney. I'm also a CPA. I've designed a presentation for real estate office for you to get more short sale listing. How so? How so? Well, essentially, I've designed a seminar how to speak to distressed homeowners. There's a lot of new foreclosure law out right now. For example, certain homeowners are getting principal reduction. So the question begs, which banks are giving out principal reduction? In my presentation, in my office presentation, your office presentation, I will discuss which banks are giving out principal reduction. What are the criteria to get a principal reduction? What kind of loan qualify for principal reduction? I will also teach you some other program out there for refinancing. It's under the $25 billion mortgage settlement. You need to know it. This law is going to be in existence for the next 3 years. Why do you need to know about it? Well, simple. Imagine if you approach the homeowner, instead of saying, hey, how can I short sell a house? It's going to be, how can I help you? Did you know about the principal reduction? Banks are giving it. Give me your loan. I'll help you figure out if you qualify for a principal reduction. That's one way of building rapport. Okay? The next law I'm going to cover in your office presentation, it's going to be the California Homeowner Bill of Rights. This law goes into effect this year, January 1st. This year, January 1st. Very powerful law. Very powerful for various reasons. For example, this law says, hey, the moment you submit a loan modification or any loss mitigation, in particular loan modification, it stops foreclosure. Extraordinarily powerful. This law is going to be in effect for the next 5 years. You need to know about it. It's essentially the Foreclosure Reduction Act. Okay, it's essentially to give the homeowner a more meaningful way, a more meaningful opportunity for loss mitigation. Something you need to know, this law is in existence for the next 5 years, extraordinarily powerful to use in your marketing, when you're prospecting, when you're talking to a homeowner. Also equally important, I'm going to address the short sale tax implication. What happened in a short sale? Do you owe any taxes? Now we know the fiscal cliff has passed, we know the Mortgage Debt Relief Act is extended, but there's a much more easier concept to understand. Why most short sale has no tax consequence. I will cover that. Because I'm a CPA, in addition to being a lawyer, I will cover the tax aspect as well. One more very important thing. You're there to help the homeowner. Homeowners are more apt to listen to you, to have a rapport with you if you're helping them. How do you help them? Well, you ask a basic question. Your home is in foreclosure. There's a trustee sale on there or a notice of default is recorded. I'm here to help you figure out how to keep your home, if you want to keep your home. If you don't want to keep your home, here are the laws that allows you to get out of it without owing the bank any money. In certain foreclosure, you're liable for the second mortgage. Let me help you figure that out. Okay, you want to get a subprime mortgage, here's how you do it without owing the bank any money. If you wanted to keep the house, here are some ways you can do it. There are principal reduction out there. You can eliminate the second mortgage in a bankruptcy. There are certain bankruptcy powerful law that allows you to reorganize you that stop trustee sale permanently. You're there to help them. And by helping them, you're going to increase your short sale listing. I will teach you all this wonderful stuff. It's an office presentation. If you would like it, please just have your broker. Just have your broker call the phone number down here. Call down here and I'll come out to your office. Let's make 2013 a wonderful year. You all have buyers out there. You all have buyers. What you need is a listing. This presentation is designed from a law, from an IRS standpoint, tax law standpoint, to help you understand how to help the homeowner. Let's make this an exciting year. We can fix the inventory shortage together. I hope to see you soon.